we have a fully stocked bar here. George is playing bartender, man.
Liquid gold.
Liquid gold. What is that?
This is Red Bull and vodka. Be careful with it. This is just a rosé for Rebecca.
Nice. Let's get a rosé to Rebecca.
Yes, when you book a Rockstar or Mega Rockstar Suite on Virgin Voyages, you get a fully stocked bar in your cabin. So we decided to have a little fun.
Yeah.
So let's go with that.
Making cocktails. Check
Half
it
an ounce of
out.
lime juice.
And then ounce of lemon.
Oh dear.
Now you may want, depending on how seedy it is, you may want to.
Seedy?
No.
You hate it when you got seedy
Just
limes.
squeeze it.
Yeah,
right.
Seedy lemons. They're the worst kind. They're so seedy.
But we gotta do it in here though.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Look at that. See? We are so
dear.
prepared. This kit is
I knew that was
amazing.
gonna happen, right? It's gonna be hard to get an ounce of lemon juice, I gotta tell you. Maybe we should do a twist.
Do a twist. You can try and do a twist.
Take a twist? Yeah. Do a twist.
You're gonna twist. It's a twist. Oh, this is so much fun.
Okay, that's a twist.
You got the twist? All right, let's see. Oh, yeah, he's got the twist in there. Look at that. All right, now he's going to deliver the drink. Don't trip.
Really good.
All right, let's see.
I don't know.
Not a Red Bull fan, but
There's not a lot of Red Bull in it, trust me.
pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah, not bad. Thanks to my 22-year-old son who drinks vodka
This
and
is
Red Bull.
not blue, but okay. Honey, what did you get now?
Charcuterie.
Jesus, that's heavy, whatever this is.
Check out these really cool room service bags. I mean, they kept everything hot, they kept everything cold, and they kept everything nice and neat. I wish everybody would use these.
So I'm going to do something I've never done on a cruise before. I'm going to make my own old fashioned, and we happen to have Johnny Walker Black Label. I have never used Johnny Walker Black Label for an old fashioned, so we're going to make two old fashioned.
Oh dear.
Man, I'll tell you, George is a busy man. This phone is ringing off the hook.
Joe's Chop Shop. Take your iPad, go to services, hit ice.
There you go.
Ask you, do you need more ice? You hit yes, I do.
I knew I saw it somewhere. See that? So we order more ice on the app.
In 5 minutes, somebody will knock on the door with ice.
So we got 1.5 ounces of Johnny Walker Black Label, half an ounce of simple syrup. Well, I'll tell you, Johnny Walker is light, very
Why
light
does
color.
one look so much darker? Is it the glass?
It's the two, yeah. See?
Wow.
I got the gold. 2 dashes. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's what they claim is going to be an old fashioned for them. I can't get over how light that looks. The lightest looking old fashioned I've ever seen. That is what they say is an old fashioned from Johnny Walker. Cheers, my friend.
I like it.
Not bad. I like it.
Cheers.
Everybody. So much fun making cocktails in our own cabins. This is cool.